Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Windows updates and rebooting. This clears transient locks. Once done, run WS Reset. exe as administrator to flush the store cache. That often fixes initialization. Next, open services and make sure Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service are set to automatic and are running. If stopped, start them now. These steps address common state and service issues that prevent the store from initializing, so you can proceed confidently into deeper repairs. Once services are healthy, re-register the store using PowerShell with the apps package command for your user or all users. This repairs corrupted registrations. Then run sfc/scano to repair system files and follow with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix component store issues, because store relies on those components. Also, make sure you sign out and sign back into your Microsoft account to refresh licensing. These steps fix deeper registration and integrity problems. For finalization, try creating a clean local user profile and test the store there. If it works, your main profile is corrupted. You can also use Settings app's Microsoft Store Advanced Options reset to perform a full app reset. If problems persist, open Event Viewer and look for store or apps error codes and note them. This is the key troubleshooting tip. An error code directs targeted fixes or safe rollbacks. Make sure to document the code before seeking further help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.